from your Bitget wallet to your Telegram wallet. So hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to transfer USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Telegram wallet. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on the option here that says add crypto, or you can tap on external wallet, select the currency that you want to work with, select your network. I'll be using TRC20. Then you copy the address. So now head straight, let me copy the address. I've copied it. So now I'll head straight to my Bitget wallet. So let me head straight to my Bitget wallet. My Bitget wallet, I'm going to tap on wallet. On wallet, I'm going to tap on send. That is if your Bitget is being funded with USDT. If you have USDT in your Bitget, so this process will take place. So I will tap on USDT. That's the token that I'm working with. Now the address that I copied from my Telegram wallet, I will paste it here. Because I'm sending USDT from my Bitget wallet to my Telegram wallet. So I'll paste the address here. Then the next thing I have to do is the next thing I have to do is to write the amount that I want to send. Let me see, I'm sending $200 USDT. There's no need for memo. Reason being that on my Telegram wallet there was no memo there for USDT, so there's no need for memo. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. So if this transaction, if you tap on confirm, you are going to take some verification. After completing your verification, the transaction will take place. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.